Hello dear followers, today we will be doing an unboxing video together. In this video we will be unboxing a homage model, the Foxbox OAK model. The reason why I am associating directly with OAK is that there is a watch called Casio OAK, and I will show it to you right here. It is the Casio GA2100 model, and the one we have today is a replica or an attempt to replicate the GA2101A1DR model, which is based on the GA2100 model. As you may know, Casio named it OAK from the beginning, and Foxbox, by the way, I got this watch from AliExpress, and I will put the link below. I am not recommending you to buy or not to buy it. I just got it out for my curiosity, and the price seemed advantageous to me at the moment when I bought it in December 2023. It came in a box like this, a leather-like cardboard box. Let's open this watch with a plastic wrap like this. There is a user manual in Chinese on the side and the English on the other. When we took the box, we can understand that it's a not original box for this watch. Let's take the watch out of the plastic wrap. In terms of appearance, it looks very similar to Casio OAK. There is a protective film here. I will remove it. I don't like the films on the back. Let's remove it also. Since we are opening it, let's take a closer look at the back. It doesn't have a model number written here. It mentions the battery number. The part is made of steel, normal for a watch. It says Japan movement. It is water resistant up to 5 atmospheres, but there is no model number, anything else. Looking at the strap, it is not silicone but more like a plastic material, a bit different from the classic military style strap in Casio OAK. Now let's talk about the weight. Original Casio OAK weight is 51 grams, but this watch in my hand weighs exactly 92 grams, a little bit heavier. This might be due to the materials used inside the case material. I can't exactly tell what the case material is, but it gives a metallic feel. Perhaps it is aluminium because it's a thick and smooth paint finish, similar to Casio OAK. The original Casio OAK has a case diameter of 45.4 millimeters. Let's see what our watch says. I am measuring it from end to end. On the right side, it includes the 2 buttons, and the left side, it takes the adjustment knob into account. Let's see what measurement we get. We measure 46 millimeters. Casio is 45.4 millimeters. So our watch is a little bit larger, just a tad. When we look at the thickness of the watch, Casio OAK is 11.8 millimeters, and our watch measures 14.7 millimeters in our calipers. Visually, when looking straight on it, the watch does resemble Casio OAK. Now let's talk about the features. It has 2 LED displays inside, and I have set the time correctly. It has illumination like this, and there is an illumination around the day section, turning as seconds go by. On the other side, you can set the second time as a GMT function in the digital part, while adjusting a mechanical looking time on the front side. Apart from the weight of the watch, I want to try it on my wrist. My wrist is 19.5 centimeters in circumference, slightly above average. It feels a bit tight. Let me loosen a bit. It is sufficient or insufficient for a 19.5 centimeters wrist. You decide it. When I wear the watch like this, it fills the space nicely on my wrist. I was really curious about the Casio OAK, and regarding electronic devices in general, my approach is first buy a very cheap version, a replica, or actually a homage to understand if I really need that device. Then, if necessary, I go and I buy the original, the brand that I want. For example, I did this in headphones, mechanical keyboards, and later realized I didn't need an expensive mechanical keyboard. When it comes to Casio OAK, this Foxbox brand, I couldn't find the web store for them. I couldn't find the distributor in Turkey, but it is sold on AliExpress. I have seen some other models on the e-commerce websites in Turkey, but I don't remember seeing the exactly same one. In one of the watches, they tried to create a brushed effect on the part with numbers 60, 10, 20, and they succeeded. If light reflects on it, you can see it. You don't get that trickle feeling when you touch it. If you have a watch like this, and they made the same type of the straps as Casio OAK, you might be able to use straps made for the Casio OAK on this watch. Looking at the normal width of the strap, it is 26.2 millimeters. As I mentioned, I got this watch from AliExpress and it took about 40 days to reach me, but it arrived safely end of the 40 days. Just like with my previous video, they delayed a little bit, but somehow it reached me. I am leaving the link below if you are interested in the product. The waterproof rating for Casio OAK is 200 meters, but let's check it again for this watch. The waterproof rating for this watch is 5 atmospheres, meaning you can swim with it, but I personally don't swim with any of my watches, only with watches specifically designed for the water activities. We reviewed a Casio OAK homage from the Foxbox brand tonight. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in future videos with different watches. So today we checked altogether Foxbox OAK model. The reason why I am associating directly with OAK is there is a watch called Casio OAK. So it is the homage model of a Casio OAK. The model number is GA2100. Actually GA2100, but this is the model like exactly GA2101 A1DR model. By the way, you can see my videos on horological watch review channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and see you in our next videos.